for I am sembra yenya breaking news say otumfo just say wono ankasa ne brempon ankasa eye asampon hene we film no the latest on that particular issue and at the NAC it was answering now with the bremo answer never to us and subscribe and click the notification bell on the so am I now the last time I spoke on this particular matter now a branch here na your friend Sadat Mohammed I used to say wono ena wonim ewu ne hu bibi no sa branch here no na say Ghana phobia and Rebecca say Ghanaian bus driver bi ewo Burkina Faso abwa amayache a branch here no ama Ghana police for abeso a branch here no. That was I think the last update I yet from this particular story. Now ebimu na wo mun believe sansem no na ebimu kasa say oh say be ensema Ghanaian driver no wode abeto abonte no ntro because yehu bi da wo Ghana asem si a na nkrofo aba de wo mun sem abefore for asem no ho ase ne kre later be hwe na trese nya ne kre it na ye twen say police will be confirm say indeed this Ghanaian driver no enebuomo because police for eba bonte ma yeti ase the initial reporter eba no ma yeti ase say abrante na wo tu kwan efri Ghana a woko Burkina Faso ne echi no border no so but Ghanaian driver no ede insem ne ba no it was different say abrante na wo te Burkina Faso ho a wo bar station ho na yehu no ne echi no intino police for eba bonte ede nkrata ababontin ya wo mo confirm say indeed abrante na ya cheno na wo ma confirm say indeed wo mo de inase ebema bus driver bia wo ye Ghana ni a wo ye adwuma wo Burkina Faso ho na sa bus driver no na trese wo ma ye chi abrante na wo hande abrante no Sadat Mohammed no over to police into the police wo ababontin confirm say indeed it is the truth. That is the truth. Into Moana Moon believe bus driver no. I think Sisiano, you have the correct story from the police. Some of them krata babontia tresa. Now police for area na asem we pe na wo moka wo statement name. Wo sha ASP Godwin Ahianyo of the Asante Regional Police was also the public relations unit officer police na trese asem sia Asante Regional ne na Asante region ne no ono na trese emra ema ne kwan se police ene ana police wo pese wo mo ka asem threat memufo a Godwin Ahianu na wo se wo de asem no ebetudwa nti no wo de nsem bi abetudwa a wa mayen update on Sadat Mohammed no say mene wo ka say ne court nsensem ena de koso say or comply na nti no the first update I want more ba and say a branch Sadat Mohammed ade na Burkina Faso na wo call ye no enye say owo ne hunti e na trese wo ko hye ho na kakra na waba Ghana omo say dabi say a branch we ye na adwenkra say we tu akotena ho na trese wo no a branch no wafa pechi hema no a yesusu say wo ye ne yere ene ne mba odi omo nie ekotu akotena Burkina Faso na Botaya ewo ne trim ne say wo starting life afresh over there. Na police for ne say na wo mo enya hint say abrante ni either say wo bekwa kotena Burkina Faso ana Mali because ho de just say nebusuanfo ete ho nebusuanfo te ho ena wo no abrante ne so watena sa Mali ene Burkina Faso ne pen into the police for say abrante no wo mototo na no mo ehu say wo ofande yere ene ne mba ekotena Burkina Faso ho say wo starting life afresh just say nemba no wo be ma wo akọ school wo ho ono abrante na nkasa nso ho na say wo betena nti no police for nanka wo ma wo mani abrante e be ka say bus driver no nanka say de wo ma ya nche abrante na nanka Ghana abrante no ye sheda ente na nka biom because na ba na just say Ghana pa say obetu ne na esi Ghana de dabi nka won tu ne na esi Ghana biom. You know, that is the first update I want to say the killer fled with his children and wife to settle over there. Now the second update I want to say Sadat is cooperating. Naturally say abrante na ye chain no nya say why na hu kokoti say oh asembia mo bi se me bia no menka asembia mo bi se me bia no menka police for say insembia wo mo be bi se ni bia no oyi omo ano fine waka ne kre etre wo mo police for no na abrante ne kra aboa ama police for no ehu asem ni mu yie ati ase police wo mu investigate asem na branch na abo because nsem bisa wo mu bisa na no mu susu se branch no sebe wo be ma tese na koma yeden won say suspect bisa no chi na u bisa na asem na o say I want my lawyer but police for say that be a branch no wo cooperative fine wo mu bisa na nsem a wo yi ano wo mu bisa na nsem a wo yi ano tese wa boa police for no krama sisi ano Wama police for the key information regarding what led to the killing. Not just wabwa police for the crime. Afei, umuhu insem potia esi ya sebe ema nana sampo hene wo free mu. That is the latest update of police for Edia Brain on Sadat Mohammed the cooperation. Now the last update I want to bounce Pechi Hima no ne health because me mamoti ase say embra ya chi Pechi Hima ene Sadat no Pechi Hima no efenti in police custody ama police for no e de ne hospital police for no still hospital ho no wo mo guard ho ati ase police for the health of Pechi Hima no send your fainty ye and then send the name mu esusu say asem na to no say bia na wenya BP and then send bebre police for ede ba say sisia no the health no improve papa and the health no improve papa na she's making progress at the Confanote Teaching Hospital and now me know what say still just say we share fainting na we fainty and nya asem ketwa but and now me know what say still what that Confanote Teaching Hospital ho but the health no improving. This is the update of police for Edia Brain on Otumfo's chief killer. What you say? And then some medal. But for just quickly, no, maybe me read some comments on this. Now make sure the Ghana phone so edging. For me, I think this doesn't happen. In some say in Ghana there. The police for the Enyache hospital mostly no yente in Sembium. Make me an example to say Ahmed Swale ni no police for their the bar to say when watch suspects be up to now we've not heard any updates. Family neka NT update here, but I think for this one the police have really done well. Remember the Ashanti Regional Police Command no Wamabaso Omaya Depan say at every point in time no they bring us updates on this particular story. I don't know whether Ebia Otumfo Nyasampo Hene no Intia and actress of Omo say dia, but we expect say in all the dealings no Womo be yesa pepepe. Will be say by their fruits ye shall know the evil ones in our midst. Not just say dear encrofo bi be no ebema we hu se sebe echimode ewo mutrim. Ati ase obi say Muslims have no respect for life and then make us a daddy em say go fuko di boni an ye de be hye nkremofo say nkremofo ayi say and no na eya asema will be e de abetuja but nipa no me correct no ho that is not right. Obi say I mean the killer, not the deceased chief. Meanwhile, how could the Ohema of Pechi number 1 sleep with such a horrible murderous face lying by his side? Some women are very, very brave because I would be weaned in my pants. It asema will be can say, hey, Pechi himai wakukudro na man so mo wakukudro pan because baby a wo ba edi ni tibe wura no etiefo obema ntumi wura ho. Nti de oka ne say e ba ne say na wo ba obetumi ahwe abranche we enim ede na da empa ba akoso abranche ase bi wotumi edi ewu sei. Nti no ne asema wo bi so ede ba. A very interesting commenter will be Edeba. Will be to say, wow, look how we floor royalty. A whole queen mother married to such a person. So apparently the killer is the father of the small boy chief of Pechi number 1. We play too much in Ghana, especially when people give cash. It will be a canon still. And some one more can say Wabano Wakukudro. And then Asama will be saying when it comes to money matters, Ashanti women's eye is red. It is undoubtedly true. And then Asama will be so can say the India Musu said Pechi number 1 him and Wawari Obema way and they said Wabema way will scat a Alaji and Asadati ɛyɛ ade a wɔwɔ sika nti ɔmo soso sɛ ne ho nti ɛna picture number 1 hema no wɔware no na ɛnyɛ sɛ wɔdɔ no. But I don't know why people will say something like this. Comment the send here corner. I like to cut it here. But I'm on comment box no wait for that's it.